Blast furnace. Mouse over and click on the links provided. Blast furnace is a device used to reduce iron ore to iron. A modern blast furnace is pictured here. It stands up to 90 meters in height. It is computer controlled and is equipped with environmental control devices. Parts of the blast furnace. Observe the parts of the blast furnace carefully. Now observe the animation to understand its working. Processes in the blast furnace. Let us understand the processes that take place in the blast furnace stepwise. Introduction of charge. The charge is introduced into the furnace through cup and cone arrangement. Introduction of hot blast. Simultaneously, a hot blast of air is introduced into the furnace through the two ears. Combustion of coke. Coke present in the charge burns in the hot air, producing carbon dioxide, generating more heat. Production of carbon monoxide, the reducing agent. The carbon dioxide formed rises up and reacts with the incoming coke, forming carbon monoxide. Reduction of hematite. Carbon monoxide formed is a powerful reducing agent. It reduces hematite to iron. Decomposition of limestone. Due to the heat generated, limestone decomposes, forming calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Formation of slag. Quicklime, CaO, thus formed, acts as a flux and combines with sand, an acidic impurity, converting it into calcium silicate, an easily fusible mass. This mass is called slag. The iron formed is collected at the bottom of the furnace, and the slag forms a layer on it. It protects the molten iron from oxidation. The iron obtained by this process is called pig iron. It contains carbon as an impurity. Drawing the blast furnace. To help you draw a simple line drawing of the blast furnace, watch the pencil movement in this animation. The important parts are labeled.